Hi guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with this stainless steel mixing bowl. I love it. It comes in a set of three, and this is the largest size, 5.5 quart. And you can see that it doesn't get all scratched inside. I use this a lot to mix up and chop my salads. I'll use it to mix for cakes or whip anything up that you need to as a mixing bowl. So if you're looking for one that's sturdy, the bottom is nice and flat. It has a nice weight to it. It's not flimsy. I like that it has the brushed and then there's the shinier stainless steel, and then inside is all shiny. What also is nice, it has this lip, so if you want to, it can help you to have a grip on it as you're stirring things around inside of the mixing bowl. This is great to have for you and your cooking supplies, the baking supplies, all of that, because it's something that you need is like a necessity when you're cooking and baking. So if you're looking for a stainless steel bowl that's nice looking, that doesn't get all scratched up, dented, stained, all of that has a good lip that you can hold on to it, this is a great one.